Coming along slowly. So this one works. Probably needs a bit of grease, but at least it's cool. So now just make sure you didn't see any of that crap. We're gonna sell that. And then I'm thinking we're gonna get like a chrome strip metal and put it along there. Also make it stand out a bit more. Ooh. Okay, when you've wrapped everything carefully and made sure everything is tight as a duck sauce, well, that's a shit saying. I don't know why there is a saying like this, tight as a duck sauce. I don't know, do English people fuck ducks in the ass? Very strange if they do, but probably it's nice. For fucking some sick cunts, I don't know. Well, anyway, this saying came to be. So, when you're putting this on, a few things to make sure that you do. Make sure that you, well, first put it into neutral. So you have it like in the middle. Make sure your handbrake is on. Be safe. So then make sure that this little thing is in position, is in the correct position. So you're putting the gear knob through the hole and make sure that this thing that moves the indicator about is lined up, obviously. So put it on like this. First, make sure that you are in the right gear, so to speak, so that they all line up nicely. So park, we're gonna put it in park and make sure that it stays like that. And then obviously hook up all the connectors. Common sense there, but one thing to remember. Where's the light? There's a light here somewhere. See, you won't even be able to see it and you'll forget about it. It's a fucking shit design by BMW not to have anything on the back of here to hold this light. BMW should hire me as a designer, really, but I'm sure after watching these videos I'll get fucking flooded with invitations. I do charge though, boys, I do charge, because I ain't no slaving away for no corporation for pennies. Fuck you. Anyway, remember this light and make sure it's, you know, basically here somewhere, so it's gonna illuminate this at night when your lights are on. Fucking shit design. Unbelievable. Alright, while doing all this shit, it's a good idea to hook up all your accessories while you're doing it, so you don't have to undo these panels again. So I'm gonna install this microphone. I'm not gonna do it yet, later, but I'm just gonna thread it through for later. One thing I'm gonna do differently from BMW, and that's a big critique of most car makers, is why the fuck do you put bolts in visible places? That just looks shit. Like here, if I cover this up, they want me to put a bolt, you know, right through this. And that is fucking stupid. So I'm gonna put this sticky tape on there and stick it on. For this, apply 3M Primer 94. Stuff sticks better with it. Okay, honkies. So we've got our tape on all around the edges where it will contact. We'll put the primer on the other side as well. You can't see it because it's primer. So you peel it off and stick it on. Okay, pimps, so that you can keep talking to your hoes, keep them in check while driving around in your biz, you're gonna need one of these. so you don't get pulled over by the po-po for using your phone. So it's very easily wired right through, and there's a bit for your mic at the back there, the black bit. So just connect it nice and tidy here, and then you're ready to put your covers on. Yo dudes, I'm a bit bored of the exterior work or mechanics. Well, I can't do any mechanics, but anyway. So today we're gonna install a screen in the E36. Got this cheap one for 60 quid off a guy, Chinese one. Gave it a go. Seems quite good actually. It's got GPS. You can get all your YouTube and everything. You can get all your websites, your internet. I couldn't see anything. Well, the reason why I bought it because it's thin. Because in the E36 in the back, you've got the heater cover, and it sticks right out. So this will slot in perfectly. And with it, we have a reverse camera as well. So this bit obviously mounts on the back, facing down to your lights. Sorry, to your reverse lights. Yes, so one is ground, and the other one is live. So you connect, well, it's supposed to be red to the yellow and blue, but we shall see. And then this is your visual, so that gets hooked up on the back, one of the yellow ones. And this, been told, gets hooked to the purple one, which is the special lead that's a reverse cam. I think it's that purple one. So we'll have a try in a minute, see how it goes. I'm gonna wire the 2-din screen into there. So first thing is thread your GPS somewhere on top of the window. Okay, first little problem we have is obviously we've got this shelf here, so we need to cut it out. I think it's better to cut it out rather than just yanking out this whole unit thing, because you'll need some kind of an enclosure there, like a frame. So I'll just leave it there and cut this out. Just with a saw, like this. I'm not gonna cut it till the end, I'm gonna cut it till the middle, and then kind of make a firewall to prevent some of the heat getting behind the unit, out of the plastic that's left. So before putting the unit in and wiring all the main wires, you need to run your camera through if you're installing the camera. So I'm gonna run it under all this dash, basically under there. Kind of wire it through here so it's sticking out. Now that is looking sexy and practical. Now best way to put it back in, take off the seal, and then the seal will go on top of it. So like here, making it nice and tight. Hey dudes, we got a problem of the brake light not working. No matter what we tried, this brake light just doesn't want to work. I mean, I even got a couple more lamps to see if the lamp's fucked. Hooking it up, the brake light still doesn't work. God knows what's going on. Took it to my mechanic, even he was scratching his fucking Polish head. Sorry Dav, if you're watching this, you're the main G. But anyways, we're gonna check the fuses. The fuse box in the E36 is in a very crap position. You gotta take all this off again. And I just put it on yesterday, but it's alright, it just takes a couple of minutes. Well, whoops, that was a fuck up. Taking all this out, only to discover there is no fucking fuse box in there. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. So we'll stick it back in. Well, that was a fucking waste of time. It's actually in the where your engine is, basically. It's a fucking waste of time. Well, at least I haven't taken it off for no reason. This lock was well dodgy. It wasn't moving. Now it's still not moving. Man, this is shit. Okay, it seems to be working. So I've oiled it up with good old WD-40. So, oh man, lock now. And fucking, I don't know what's going on. It's never ending with these fucking cars, I tell you. You try and fix one thing, you open up a whole new can of worms. This lock is proper fucked. It's just not moving. I mean, before putting it all back, it makes sense sorting it all out. Right, I've tightened this spring. It's this spring that's gone loose over the years that is a problem. Kind of took these pliers and just pulled this, made the spring a bit tighter. So hopefully that might make some difference. Let's see.
I'll be back.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do a sick grill on a cheap. You get this mesh bad boy from a Poundland, cut a piece that you want, sand it down a bit with a fine sandpaper, and then give it a spray with the color you want, and it'll look like a proper sick expensive grill mesh, you'll see. And then I'm gonna cover this with lacquer as well. That's for the interior bits. So stay tuned, motherfuckers. See? Beauty. When it goes on, it's gonna look fucking pucker. Sun is out, guns are out. Female body inspector, that's why I'm today. Right. So we're gonna put this mesh that I've just sprayed back on. Yeah. And now, so just getting somewhere with the central console now. So this is fitted in. I've put this metal bit in just to divide it up a bit and make it fit tighter. Wrapping is a bit shit. I'm gonna try and re-wrap it over the top, but functionality wise I think it's pretty good. So you've got your cup holders. Let's see, this wrap getting in the way a little bit, sort that later. So you got your USBs for charging phone and shit, aircon, and you've got your full multimedia Android shit. And I think that is pretty much all you need in the car. Unless you want your car to suck your dick when you're driving. You got your bird for that, so don't need a car for that. Next I'm gonna put on nice sexy gear knob. Alright boys and girls, it's raining like a mofo today, but we're not stopping on car work. Today we're gonna put in the AUX, one of these, about a $5 from eBay. And connect it to this ASC unit so that you can play your MP3s in your E35. Now, many of you who have E65, it's very annoying that in most of the models you get just a CD player. In some later models you can get the MP3, but still annoying. You want to have a lot of music on there at low cost. So that's the way to do it, guys. You need to pop off this plastic or wood-ish trim around. For this you need some of these tools. You don't have to have them, but it's good to invest a $5 in these various tools, and then you can have all that you need to take off all the trim on your BMW. So you literally just pop off this front fascia on here, just slide it under like that, and just simple as that, comes off. Then there are just a couple of screws here, basically 2 at the side. So unscrew them and pop it out. So then, once you've unscrewed it, just pull out your ask unit. Now this is for your keypad. So you just need to unhook it. So we've unhooked that. Then you need to take this out somehow. Or maybe you don't need to. Maybe you can just stick in your ask unit adapter in there. Let's give it a try now.